Hey guys, it's your favorite Ohio realtor here, Charmaine Elder with eXp Realty. Today, I want to do something a little bit different. I want to sit down and talk to you guys about open houses. So, my question is, what or how do you gain attraction to your open houses? Are you putting out big banners? Are you blowing up balloons? Do you have red carpets, snacks? How do you get the people engaged and come into your open house? If you're not doing any of these things, I want you to comment down below and tell me why you're not doing them, or if you plan on doing them. So I'm gonna give you a little bit of insight on how my open houses gain so much attraction. First, what I do is I make a schedule. Sundays are normally my days that I block out time, and my friends and my family, they all know that Sundays is Charmaine's open house days. Now I can do all day open houses, which is my favorite, or I can do part of the day, but my Sundays are purely dedicated to my open houses. The next thing I do is marketing. So I use an app called Canva, and I search the house on the MLS, and I pull the most beautiful pictures of the house, the ones that's more enticing to the eye, not being deceiving, but a little bit more attractive. And I use those as my frontline photos for my marketing. Of course, you add the time, the place, and everything. And when I post them on my social media, I make sure that I'm letting people know there will be snacks, there will be food, there will be door prizes, games, or whatever. Let them know that you're not just there to sit in a house and just, show it. You're there to have fun, you're there to engage with your community, and you make it memorable so that when people think, oh, do you know any realtors in Columbus, Ohio? They're thinking like, oh yeah, I know Charmaine Elder. She hosts amazing open houses. I met her at this open house one day. She had door prizes, she had candy, she had games, anything to, keep those buyers engaged. You don't want to have a boring open house. Next, signs, signs, signs. The more signs, the merrier. You want to make sure you're putting out a whole bunch of signs, signs galore. You can never have too many open house signs. And if you can, it's best to put those signs out the night before, so that way people that's riding through the neighborhood, they're intrigued. They're like, okay, where's this open house? And you can get those signs where you can write at the bottom like open house tomorrow from 12 to 7. Now guess what? They have it in their head, okay, I got something to do tomorrow between 12 and 7. I'm gonna go to an open house. I'm gonna go check out this open house. Also, I've started a new campaign where I'm doing this thing called Business for Business, where when I'm marketing my open houses, I'm letting all my Columbus, Ohio small business owners know that, hey, come and launch your business here. Come and showcase it, show it off, leave some business cards, take some of mine. And I'm handing out these business cards. So it's good to know these people and have these people in my back pocket, because I never know when I'm going to need a contractor. I never know when I'm going to need a landscaper. You never know. So guess what? I'm your realtor who knows all these people for anything that you need. So that's just a few things that I do for my open house. I want to hear some stuff. Come on, realtors. Let me know, what is it that you're doing to gain attraction at your open house? Why do you do it? Is it helping you? Do you need a little bit of help? Come on, I might learn something from you, and you just might have learned something from me. Bye.